Hello my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? So today we will be making this quick and easy delicious jollof rice and beans. If you want to see how I make this, please keep on watching. This is Bernice and you're welcome back to Bernice's kitchen. Here I have my already picked beans. I'm going to wash that and transfer it into my pot. So I won't be parboiling these beans, but if you do parboil your beans, go ahead and do that. But I'll just properly wash mine and transfer into the pot. Add some water and allow this to cook till it's half done, okay, or halfway cooked. So here are the peppers I'll be using for this recipe. I have some onions, green capsicum and red capsicum, habanero and some fresh tomatoes. So I'll just blend this and transfer into a pot and I'll cook this till it reduces, like the water in it reduces. Yep. So I'll just go ahead and check the beans to see if it's half cooked now, because we don't want to cook our beans to be properly cooked because we are still going to add in some rice. So the beans is properly cooked, so I'll take that out, add some oil to the pot and some onions and fry. And I'll fry for like a minute or so, and once it's properly fried and releases its flavor, I'll just go ahead and add some tomato paste to this oil and fry till it's no longer tangy. And I say welcome to my channel. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, please do feel free to subscribe and join this wonderful family. I really appreciate you. Please don't forget to like and let me know what you think. Drop your comments. To my returning subscribers, I love you all very much. Thank you very much for always supporting your girl. Guys, this means a lot to me. Thank you. I really love you all. And at this stage, the tomato paste is well fried or well cooked. It's no longer tangy. And I'll go ahead to add in the steamed down tomato and bell peppers and fry for like 10 to 15 minutes also. Or you fry till it's okay. Then I'll go ahead, add in some curry powder, thyme, rosemary, salt, and seasoning cubes, crayfish. Add whatever thing you like to your rice and beans. So whatever thing you want to add for your seasoning, it's okay. That is okay by you. Just go ahead and do that, okay? So at this point, I'll go in and add my canned sardine and I'll allow this to cook alongside with the tomato paste. I'll add in some water now, or if you have meat stock, just go ahead, use your meat stock, chicken stock or fish stock at this point. Then I'll reintroduce the beans, the washed rice, and I'll combine this thoroughly because we want everything to cook properly, right? Yeah. So I'll go in now to add in my smoked mackerel and crayfish. Guys, I'm going to add enough crayfish to this recipe, so just add whatever thing you want. I didn't use meat stock, so I need to add enough crayfish, and I'll add salt to taste. Then I'll cook this till it's properly cooked, till the rice and beans is properly cooked. Then I'll go ahead and give this a good mix. Guys, can you see how good this is looking? This was so tasty and delicious, okay? So I'll give this a good mix. If you like this video, please guys, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. That is like. And if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please, I'm really begging, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. I love you all and please stay safe. Bye.